Hey, Anna.
Another technique they use here at Victory Auto Wreckers is the ripping the car apart. Would you like to see that?
This is the coolest
Sure.
thing ever.
Let's see. Okay.
Hit it.
Oh, boy.
Watch
I'm gonna
this.
move out of the way. Ding.
Watch this. They bring the car up. Drop it. Look at that. Oh my God.
All right.
That's awesome. They take it back up. Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah!
That is fun.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, they should leave this open as an amusement park.
Yeah.
Kids would love to see
Drivers.
this.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Here we go. Do it! Drop it!
Here comes.
Wow. All right, we'll have more destruction coming up around town. We're going to talk to the other star of the Victory Auto.
It's going to be as cool as this.
Nope.
It'll be cool.